AI's transformative power comes with significant responsibilities. Ever wondered which organizations are at the forefront of ensuring that artificial intelligence evolves ethically and responsibly? From safeguarding human rights to embedding inclusivity in AI systems, numerous institutions and initiatives lead the way in setting the gold standard for AI governance. Join us as we dive into the top 10 advances in AI ethics and governance, exploring how these efforts are shaping the future of technology to serve humanity better. International cooperation on AI standards, building global consensus. International cooperation on AI standards is advancing ethical AI development worldwide. Organizations like the United Nations and OECD are leading efforts to create unified guidelines that address global ethical issues, including privacy, fairness, and safety. Shared standards enable countries to work together to prevent harmful AI practices that impact multiple regions. By collaborating on these standards, nations can address ethical concerns that cross borders, promoting a more cohesive approach to AI governance. This cooperation also helps smaller countries implement responsible AI practices without having to develop frameworks independently. Global standards foster a foundation for an ethical AI future, where transparency and fairness are prioritized. Countries that adopt these guidelines create a safer technological environment for their citizens. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, these standards help ensure technology advances without sacrificing ethics. Coordinated efforts make AI governance more manageable and equitable on a global scale. With international support, AI can be developed and deployed in ways that respect and protect human rights. This approach encourages innovation that benefits society as a whole. AI governance boards, oversight for ethical AI use. Organizations are increasingly establishing AI governance boards to oversee ethical AI use. These boards bring together experts from technology, law, and ethics to review projects and set policies aligned with ethical standards. They provide a structured framework to address ethical concerns and ensure responsible AI deployment. By overseeing AI projects, these boards create an additional layer of accountability within organizations. They also promote transparency, often sharing findings and recommendations with stakeholders. This transparency builds trust and allows for open communication about AI's ethical implications. AI governance boards guide companies through complex ethical challenges, offering insight into responsible practices. Their oversight helps companies balance innovation with accountability, reducing risks associated with AI misuse. As they navigate these issues, boards play a vital role in setting industry standards for responsible AI. These boards emphasize the importance of ethics within AI development, creating a culture of responsibility. They represent a proactive step toward ethical AI use across industries. Ethics training for AI developers, building a responsible AI workforce. AI developers are now receiving targeted ethics training to help them understand the societal impacts of their work. Many companies and universities have introduced courses focusing on ethical AI development, data privacy, and fairness. This training empowers developers to identify and address potential ethical challenges early in the AI development process. Ethics training is increasingly becoming a fundamental part of AI education, preparing future developers to create responsible AI solutions. By promoting a culture of ethical responsibility, this approach is helping shape the next generation of AI leaders. It emphasizes the importance of considering social implications alongside technical innovation. This proactive training fosters an AI workforce that values ethics on par with advancement. It also equips developers with tools to balance AI's benefits with responsible use. With a deeper understanding of ethics, developers can make informed choices that protect users' rights. This training prepares AI professionals to navigate complex ethical issues in real-world applications. As more institutions adopt this approach, the AI industry moves toward a more ethically conscious future. Ultimately, ethics training is building a foundation for a tech landscape where AI serves humanity responsibly. AI transparency laws, regulating openness and accountability. AI transparency laws mandate that companies disclose clear information about how their AI systems function. In fields like finance and hiring, these laws enable users and regulators to understand the reasoning behind AI-driven decisions. By promoting openness, transparency laws work to prevent hidden AI practices that could lead to unfair treatment. These regulations empower individuals to challenge decisions that adversely affect them, ensuring more equitable outcomes. Transparency laws also build trust in AI by demonstrating that companies operate openly and responsibly. As countries worldwide begin to adopt these regulations, the global AI environment is moving toward greater accountability. Increased transparency fosters an ethical approach to AI, benefiting both users and organizations. These laws encourage companies to design AI systems that are fair, understandable, and reliable. Compliance with transparency laws assures the public that AI decisions are based on fair criteria. In a more transparent environment, users have a clearer view of AI's role in decision-making processes. This framework holds companies accountable and reassures users that they are treated fairly. Ultimately, AI transparency laws are reshaping the industry with a focus on openness and public trust. Human-in-the-loop HITL, blending AI with human judgment. Human-in-the-loop, or HITL, systems ensure that humans remain actively involved in critical AI decision-making processes. This approach is vital in areas where AI-driven decisions significantly impact people's lives, such as healthcare and autonomous vehicles. HITL enables human experts to monitor and modify AI decisions in real time, adding essential human judgment to AI outputs. This collaboration between AI and humans helps prevent errors and reinforces the ethical soundness of decisions. HITL also supports ongoing learning, as human feedback refines and improves AI models over time. By integrating human oversight, HITL strikes a balance between automation and ethical responsibility. It helps maintain a level of control that prioritizes human values and safety. HITL systems are designed to uphold accountability, ensuring that AI does not operate unchecked in sensitive scenarios. This approach also promotes transparency, as human involvement makes AI processes more understandable and traceable. HITL represents a thoughtful blend of machine efficiency with human insight, supporting responsible AI use. Ultimately, HITL systems emphasize the importance of human participation in AI, fostering trust in AI applications. This integration safeguards against risks, making AI a more reliable tool for critical applications. Responsible data collection and usage, protecting privacy. Responsible data policies are essential for ensuring that AI systems prioritize user privacy and data security. Regulations like the GDPR in Europe set rigorous standards for data collection, use, and transparency. These laws require organizations to clearly explain what data they collect, the reasons for collecting it, and how it will be used. Responsible data practices also emphasize anonymizing data, which helps protect users' identities while still allowing for valuable AI insights. By enforcing such policies, governments and companies build trust with users and reduce the risk of data misuse. This approach is crucial for maintaining ethical AI development, as it balances technological innovation with respect for individual rights. Data policies act as a safeguard, helping ensure that privacy and security remain central to AI advancements. They also provide a framework for organizations to handle data responsibly and transparently. With these protections, users can feel more secure about engaging with AI technologies. This accountability fosters a safer digital environment and reinforces the importance of ethical standards in AI. Ultimately, responsible data policies are the foundation of a trustworthy and user-focused approach to AI development. By prioritizing data protection, these policies enable a future where AI benefits society without compromising individual privacy. AI for social good, harnessing AI for positive impact. AI for social good is an initiative dedicated to applying AI to global challenges, including climate change, poverty, and healthcare access. Around the world, AI projects are helping predict natural disasters, improve medical services, and reduce social inequalities. These efforts are often supported by governments, NGOs, and private companies committed to making a positive impact. However, deploying AI for social good also raises ethical questions, such as preventing harm to vulnerable communities. Ethical oversight ensures that AI initiatives prioritize safety and inclusivity. By upholding these standards, AI for social good projects aim to foster a future where technology benefits society at large. This approach underscores AI's potential as a force for constructive change, provided it's used responsibly. These projects highlight the role AI can play in addressing urgent social issues when carefully managed. They also set an example for future AI applications, emphasizing the importance of ethical considerations. Organizations participating in these efforts demonstrate that AI can contribute positively to global challenges. With a commitment to ethics, AI for social good reminds us of technology's potential to uplift communities. This movement is a testament to the power of AI when guided by care and accountability. Bias mitigation techniques, reducing AI bias. AI can unintentionally reproduce human biases embedded in its training data, which often results in unfair outcomes. Bias mitigation techniques have been developed to identify, minimize, and remove these biases within AI systems. Today, specialized tools and algorithms detect and correct patterns of unfairness that may exist in AI models. This mitigation process also requires continuous monitoring, as biases can emerge or shift over time. By applying these techniques, AI systems can achieve greater fairness, particularly in sensitive areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Bias mitigation is an ongoing responsibility, not a one-time adjustment, to ensure AI remains inclusive and unbiased. This continuous approach is essential for AI systems to serve all users equitably, regardless of background. Making AI fairer is a powerful step toward fostering trust and reliability in AI-driven decisions. Bias mitigation also promotes ethical AI usage by aligning technology with society's commitment to fairness. With these practices, AI can become a tool that enhances, rather than compromises, equality. Organizations are increasingly adopting these methods to build AI that respects diverse perspectives and reduces discrimination. By addressing biases, AI becomes a more just technology capable of supporting positive societal change. Explainable AI, making AI decisions clear. Explainable AI, or XAI, aims to make AI's decision-making processes more transparent and understandable. It addresses the black box issue, where AI decisions often lack clarity, by revealing the logic behind AI choices. This transparency is especially critical in areas like healthcare and legal fields, where decisions can greatly affect individuals' lives. With XAI, users gain insights into why an AI made a specific choice, fostering trust and accountability in the technology. Regulators also benefit, as explainability allows them to monitor AI compliance with ethical standards more effectively. Researchers are advancing XAI techniques to simplify complex algorithms, making them easier to interpret. These improvements enhance AI's transparency, building confidence in its applications. Explainability also supports developers in identifying potential issues and biases within models. HITL represents a shift toward AI systems that are more open and user-friendly. As we move forward, XAI helps bridge the gap between AI's capabilities and user understanding. This advance is fundamental to ethical AI, bringing clarity to otherwise obscure processes. Ethical AI frameworks, guiding responsible development. Ethical AI frameworks serve as the foundation for responsible AI development. Developed by organizations like IEE and the European Union, these guidelines establish core principles for fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Their goal is to reduce risks while promoting inclusivity, ensuring that AI benefits society broadly. Companies and developers can apply these frameworks to navigate ethical challenges, particularly in sensitive areas like healthcare and finance. Ethical AI frameworks address key concerns such as data privacy and algorithmic transparency, reinforcing integrity in AI design. They act as a moral guide for organizations, encouraging responsible AI practices. By setting these standards, frameworks help align AI development with values that prioritize public welfare. These guidelines allow technology to advance without compromising ethical considerations. Ethical frameworks empower developers to create solutions that consider social impact from the outset. They help establish trust between AI creators and users, supporting a safer tech landscape. Through these standards, ethical frameworks aim to make AI fair, transparent, and beneficial to all. That's a wrap on the top 10 advances in AI ethics and governance. These developments show that with the right ethical frameworks, AI can be both powerful and responsible. If you enjoyed this dive into AI's future, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more from InnoVision Tech.